Hello guys, let's talk about what is constructor in C#. So constructor is a method which is run during the initialization of an object. It is used to initialize the properties within this object. Let's explain this using an example. So I have a public class book which has a property called title of type string, which has getter and setter, and it has a constructor. The syntax is public, the name of the class, so book in this instance, and then a parameter, so it will be string title, and inside the constructor I am initializing the property title with a capital T with the value passed through the constructor, string title. So now in the main method I can instantiate a new variable book of type book, passing a string Harry Potter into the constructor. So right here I am invoking the constructor of the class book. So Harry Potter, the value will be passed into the constructor, and this value will initialize the property of the class called title. After that I can use console write line and access the title property, which was initialized via constructor of the book variable, and write this inside the console window. Let's see what it shows. The console shows Harry Potter as was expected. That is the basic usage of constructors in C#. A topic which is a bit more advanced are static constructors. So static constructors are used to initialize static properties. I have a public static property of type string called material, and I am using a static constructor. The syntax is static, the name of the class, and it is parameterless. There are no parameters inside allowed. And I am using this static constructor to initialize the static property material with the value of paper. The static constructors, the static properties can be accessed without initialization of the object. To access the material property, I simply type the name of the class, capital B, without any initialization of an object, dot material, which is the static property of the class. And when I run the program, it says paper, which is the value which was initialized inside the static constructor. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you and has shown you how to use constructors in C# and what are the static constructors in C#. I hope to see you soon.